Hello guys, welcome to ELLIS graphic channel. According to GT over there, in this tutorial I will teach you, I will enlighten you the introduction to KineMaster. So please, if it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you have any question to ask, please don't estimate by asking your question, and I promise you that I will respond to you without wasting your time. So now, without wasting our time, let's dive to that. So click on our KineMaster now. So this is our KineMaster. Click on it. So let's wait for that. So it's loading. Now, as you can see, this is the panel of our KineMaster. So this is the panel. This is the surface. As you can see, this is the surface of KineMaster. Now let me now teach you everything, all the elements here you need to know. Now the number one here we have the number one here is tutorial and tips. So what does these tutorials and tips means? Maybe probably you are new to the channel, you are new to the app device, you don't know much, like for example, you don't know what you just came across for your first time, you don't know how to make some it. So these are the tutorials, because the app officials have make everything available to your suitable choice. So now you can watch through their tutorials based on any platform, social media platform. So these are where the tutorials and tips are made. So you can go through them if you don't understand on how to make use of their device app. So the next one here, which is the this one is the vacuum, which what does that mean? Is a question where questions are being answered. Maybe probably you have a question, maybe you have a problem with their app device, you don't know, or it's just giving you a problem and you need an answer, you need a solution to that. So you can ask through the app developers, which is the developers, the app officials. So you can ask questions on how to solve your problem based on their app device. So now the next one here, as you can see like bell icon, which is what is new. So this what is new means maybe they have some updates, maybe they have something they want you guys to understand, or to give an notifications based on their app device. So maybe they are trying to innovate something, introducing a new thing to their app device. So and they want you guys to know what they have done so far. So this is where you get the notifications based on their updates on app. So now that is what the what is new mean. Now the next one here is settings. So maybe probably you're having issue with your apps, you don't know, and you want to try to set some things, because before using this app you have to set some things to make it perfect and give you the stable design you want. So now you have to set everything. So maybe you don't know, just try to go through it and set some things and make everything be in order. So now the next one here, as you can see, we also have this one is premier use. What does this premier use? It means maybe you are using their free mode or the pay mode. So let me click on it. So I'm using their pay mode. So you are KineMaster premier user. So what does that mean? It means I'm using their paid mode. So maybe probably you are using their free mode, you will get their notification, their logo icon, the watermark, which shows you are using their free mode. So in my own KineMaster, I'm using their paid mode. So that is the meaning of the premier use. It shows us whether you are using their free mode or the paid mode. Now let's move on. So what does this one mean? Create new. Create new means probably you want to create a new project. Maybe you have something new, something something like something project, a new thing you want to create, you want to design, or you want to edit. So this is where you just create, you click on it to create a new project for that. So that is the meaning of it. So create new. So now let's move on. So as you can see, my project. What does this my project means? These are what I've done so far using their KineMaster app. So these are all my projects. As you can see, I've done much using their app device. Now let's move on. So we also have another one which says access stock. So this access stock is the marketplace of KineMaster, so where you can get any kinds of elements, their materials. Is it for the images? Is it for songs you want to use? Is it for your motions, the animation in or out, or is it over all animations and many more? So these are where you can get all the elements, all the materials you want to use for your KineMaster. This is called a marketplace, which is access stock. So now let's move on. So now follow, which is their social media platform where you can follow them. You can follow them through YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. So it's based on your choice where you want to follow them. So now the last one you can see here is the recommended apps. So these are the recommended apps which KineMaster recommended to you guys. If you are interested, you can go through them too. Now let's want to move on. Now click on this plus icon. Let us create a new project. So you have something new there. Click on it. Now we have clicked on the new project. Now as you can see, now we also have a lot of things here which you need to know about. So we have access ratio. What does this access ratio? It means the surface, how you want your video platform, like the platform surface, how you want it to be. Now the number one here we have 16:9. What does this 16? This 16:9 is the YouTube size. So while editing, probably want to edit using the YouTube size, you can use that. This is the YouTube size. This is 16:9. Now the next one is 9:16, which is the flyer size. So this is the where you can get, if you want to fix your design, the video design using flyer size, you can use that too. Now the next one here is the Instagram surface size. You can use Instagram surface size. It all depends yours. As you can see, it depends yours. So these are the surface you can use. Not only that, you also have banner size, which is 4:3. So you can use that also. This banner size. So it depends yours for your video edit. So this one is poster size. All depends yours, and many more. As you can see, but in this tutorial I only recommend to you to make use of YouTube size, which is 16:9. So let's move on. So the next one you can see here is photo display mode. What does this photo display? It shows this. It means maybe probably how you want your video poster and your photo mode to be. Is it to fit? Is it to fit in, or to fill in, or there are some? So in this tutorial I will advise you to make use of fill in. So this to make how you want your video image to be. Is it to fit this the full screen, or to fill everything in? So I will advise you, I will only recommend you to make use of fill in. So which is this particular one I'm trying to simplify to you guys. Now what so the second one, the last one here, we also have we have photo duration. What does this photo duration mean? It means the time you want your editing ratio to take place. It depends yours, but I only advise you to make use of 4 ratio 4:5 seconds is the best for it. So please, if this video is so helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you have any question, don't forget to comment down the video description, so I will respond to you. And the app which I'm using, I'll be dropping it under the video descriptions. The KineMaster app, I'll be releasing it under the video description. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.